All right, children, my name is Bern Ong from 88 Tuition. Yes, we are going to begin our P4 lesson. Woo! All right, how's your day, people? I hope it's good, huh? All right, every day must be a good day, seriously, children. All right, it's all about your thinking, your mentality. If you think that it's a good day, it is a good day. All right, so every day should be a good day. All right, so just now, one of the students requested for Kahoot to be played earlier. All right, let's do that. But let's do one question as homework first. The previous week's homework. All right, I like to wrap things up. All right, because last week I gave you all one question as homework. Remember this? Angel. All right, now the names right very special. Got Angel. Do you know that I got one cousin called Apple? So it's very interesting. Now all the names are very special. Sorry. Yeah. Right. Hey, you guys got very nice names also. Yes, Toby, I know that you never come last week. Yeah. Last week we did something called Desmos. All right, the last part of Desmos, we did something called gap and difference. It's actually quite a big topic, right? Because it's a problem sum lesson. All right. So I hope that you can actually gain access to last week's lesson. All right. Look at the workings, look at the notes, and also hopefully look at the videos, Toby. Can? Yes, Zenda, you can leave and come back in. All right, because last week's lesson is actually very important. All right. So primary 4, we are learning different techniques, different concepts into answering word problem kind of question. All right. And you know, guys, you know that P5 is going to be a scary year. All right. P5 is going to be a scary year. I'm not going to frighten you. Right. But it is going to be a scary year. All right. So my advice to you, children, that after your end of year exam in your P4, please continue to come back for lesson. All right. It's only 1.5 hours in a week. All right. And after your end of year, right, we will be doing something called P5 topics already. All right. We will be doing solely on word problems. All right. So every lesson is all about word problems. Every lesson is about a new technique. All right. So that actually we can try to bridge, all right, create a easier bridge for you in primary 5. All right. Because primary 5 is going to be frightening. All right. You're going to listen to your cousins or your brothers or your sisters. All right. So I'm not trying to scare you. Yes, Abiu, you can go. All right, so just now I was just trying to talk to some of the students who asked some questions. All right, so this question, how cannot? Oh, Toby, first person to give me the answer. Very good, huh? You never come last week and you still can do. My goodness, aren't you amazing? Imagine if you come last week, right? I tell you, whew, Kat, thank you for your answer, but it's incorrect. All right, I need 2 more answers. Can you all please try? All right, Toby already successfully given one of the answer already. The rest, can you please? I need 2 more answers from you guys. It's not difficult, children. It's not difficult, seriously. Hey, hello, Olivia Ong. I have a Olivia Tong and a Olivia Ong. So Olivia Ong is my sister, you know? Bern Ong, Olivia Ong. Yeah! No. Okay, sorry. Darius, yes. Darius, you're right also. Thank you so much. All right, we got 2 correct answers already. Darius and Toby gave the correct answer. Oh, boy power. Hey, come on, ladies. Come on, don't be shy, ladies. Can we have a correct answer from the ladies? All right, not difficult, promise. Not difficult. All right, so the difficult question usually we do in class 1. All right, so this one is okay. Just imagine you going to Popular Bookshop. You want to buy 17 identical, means same correction tape. Why do you need 17? I don't know. I really don't know. All right, maybe you want to tape yourself to look at your mommy. Wow, that's need a lot of tape, man. All right, then what happened? There's a promotional deal. If you buy one, you got to pay $4.70. But if you go for the packet, if you go for the promotional pack, 1 pack, right? 1 pack of how many? 1 pack of 7. All right, it is cheaper. All right, I believe you all went to Popular Bookshop before, right? All right, you're going to buy all this promotional pack, right? I always do that, seriously. All right, I like to buy all these promotional pack. All right, it's like 1 correction tape with the refill. All right, is how much? All right, so if you buy 7, right? If you buy 7 correction tape, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is like in 1 pack. It costs $25.70. All right, Darius, it's not that expensive. All right, answer is not 194. It's too big. All right, it's too expensive. Come on, hey, correction tape got so expensive. You're going to buy the a lot of assessment book, is it? With your correction tape, Huh? Why? A lot of correction to do. Yes, Eldon. Woo! 3 boys. My goodness. Hey, ladies. Right. Ladies, you know, later the questions, right, come out, right? Can you please try to give in your best again? All right. So now we got 3 answers ready. Yes, Olivia. Yes, yes. Go, girl. Yes. Cat also. Yes. Not bad, ladies. Yeah, very good. I never say the answer, but they got it. Thank you, Cat. Thank you, Olivia. Thank you so much. You guys, you girls are incredible. All right. That's the beauty of you people, you know not. Never give up one. Never give up. All right. Even after a few wrongs, it's okay. Never give up. Wow. This is a beautiful attitude. I like this class. Love this class so much. Yes, yes. Whoa, another girl. $65.50, correct. Correct. Hey, hey, seriously, you guys, very good. Hey, Zoe, very good. Very close. You're almost there. Zoe, almost there. All right, come. Children. Children. All right. Not bad, not bad. Okay. So, as I say, right, this person called Angel, she wants to buy 17 correction tape. 17, right? So inside this 17, right? Of course, you will try to buy as many. Yes, hey, who's this? Tavanish. Very good. All right, where are you? Oh, wait, my screen too small. Tavanish is a new student. Oh, yeah. Good job. Wow, you guys are amazing. All right, Agnav is okay. Xander, okay. Do you want to log in and log out again, Xander? I don't know. All right, is your camera working? All right, Agnav is not. If it's not working, just try to get it changed. Can? All right. Okay, so if you go to the supermarket, sorry, if you go to the popular bookshop, right, you want to buy as many promotional pack as possible. Why? Promotional pack is cheaper. So you want to buy a total of 17, you can buy what? 1 pack of what? 1 pack of 7, right? Hey, but like that only got 7. Sure, not enough. Okay, don't angry. You must buy another pack of 7. Can you see or not? So 7 plus 7 will give you 14. Yes. Can I buy another pack of 7? All right, if I buy another pack of 7, sure, too many already. I don't need so many. Okay. Then don't buy the promotional pack. Don't buy the promotional pack. You buy what? You buy 3 individual. All right, you buy 3 individual correction tape. Is that okay? So this is the idea. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. Okay, then what you do? All right, 1 pack of 7 is $25.70. I drew for you on top. 1 pack of 7 is $25.70. And 3 individual one. 3 individual one means what? $4.70 plus $4.70 plus $4.70. Correct or not? What is the least amount of money? All right. All you got to do is to plus them together. And this is the way to get the answer. All right. Yes, Darius, I saw it working. It's beautiful. All right. Thank you, people. Thank you. You're so good, man, you guys. So let me just show you that I can add all this number up. All right. With confidence. All right. Are you afraid? You shouldn't be. All right. Because adding is a very safe sign. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 times 5, 35. Huh? Sure. Like that also can. Yeah. Isn't that faster? 35. Put a 5. Put a 3 down here. All right. 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 12 is 25. 246. And remember the decimal dot must be in line. Excuse me. Yeah. Hey, but guys, seriously, you did very well. All right. Never give up. Oh, really, man, you guys. Yeah, Super Mario. Okay, come. The rest can on video. Can you please on video? Like Toby, Nico, Good Carrot. Yes, nice to see you. Yes, yeah, I'm checking. People don't on video. I will have to submit a request to 88 Tuition to tell them that this person. Okay, anyway, no more threats. Don't scare you. Can? All right, so now let's start on with Kahoot. Can you please go and take your device here? All right, I promise, Kat, we start with Kahoot first. All right, please bring your device, your handphone or whatever to connect. All right, I'll be sharing screen right now. All right, so usually we will have one Kahoot in the lesson. All right, so that to get all of you awake. All right, so actually I wanted the Kahoot to be done in the middle of the lesson, right? But Kat asked for it, right? So I think I just want to listen to her a bit lah. Right, because she has been very consistent with her work. Right, talking about work, right? Hey, children, out of like 17 of you, right, only about 5 to 6 of you submitted your worksheet only. Huh? Very, very upset with you guys. All right. So the thing is, there is this worksheet down there, and today is a Monday class, right? So Saturday and Sunday, right, you can actually take some time to attempt the worksheet. Why? I mean, 6 of your classmates can do it. Why can't the rest of you do it? Right? So can you please put in a little bit more effort to try to attempt those questions? All right. So we are going into something called the work assessment revision already. All right. These 2 weeks will be work assessment revision. Can you please try your best, right? Next Saturday or Sunday, all right, try to attempt the worksheet that is online. All right, at least try. 10 questions only. Come on. Can? All right. So let's go into the lesson today. All right, but we will start off with the Kahoot questions first. Okay? Since it's still fresh in your mind. Hey, the first question, children, come on. 4 timetable. All right, how can you make this mistake? 7 times 4 is 28. All right, cannot make this mistake. This type of question. How many 7s are there? What's the meaning of 子? Remember? Every time you see TH, right, it means something over something. Right? There's a division. All right. It means how many 1 over 7 are there. So what do you do with this, children? Change this to a improper fraction. All right, start from the 7 times 3 plus 4. 7 times 3, 21, plus 4, 25 over 7. So the question is asking you, how many 1 over 7 are there in 25 over 7? So all you got to do is to take the numerator. There are 25 of them. All right, children. Can you see? Can you all see my screen, children? Can, right? Yes. Xander, you might want to log out and log in again. I don't know what's wrong with your camera today. Ayo. Yeah. Okay, so children, this question, right, please are very important. Seriously. All right, I got this strong feeling that at the end of the year, right, end of year exam, sure come out one, right? Because it's a very popular question. Please, must know. Can? So all you got to do is to make the denominator the same and take the numerator. So make this mixed number to becomes a improper. That's the step. Can? Okay, number 3. Number 3, right, is my mistake. All right, it's my mistake. All right, so I think Toby and some of you got it right also. All right, they are looking for the length, not the perimeter, my fault. All right, so I think the question got an error. Okay, so how do you find the length of the rectangle? Remember, area is actually equal to what? In primary school, you learn this length times breadth, right? If they give you the area as 120 and they give you the breadth as 8, how do you find the length? So you have to ask yourself, what times 8 is 120? All right, what times 8 is 120? All right, and the beauty of mathematics, all right, the beauty of mathematics, if they ask you what times 8 is 120, you can take 120 divided by 8. Immediately give you your answer. All right, 12 divided by 8 is a 1 and a 5 down here, centimeter. And this is your length. All right, so Toby, and for those who actually go and find the perimeter, right? All right, because the perimeter is 15 plus 8, answer is 23 times 2. All right. So for those who click 46 cm, right? Those who click 46 cm, so sorry about it. All right, this is the perimeter. All right, there's an error in the question. My fault. All right, I officially ask for your forgiveness. Can? 对不起. Pavanish, yes, you can go. Go already, then quickly come back. All right. So this question, if they ask for length, is 15 cm. If they ask for perimeter, is 46 cm. All right. All right, so the next portion, 10 times what is 900? 10 times, is it 9? No, 10 times 9 is 90. Not enough, put another 0. Beautiful. Okay. Amy is 1 3/4 meter. The brother is shorter than her. Shorter means you have to minus. And half meter. Can you see now? And children, can you see now? I purposely write my units down here. Why? Why? I told you before, fractions a bit dangerous. Fractions, there's the real and there's the fake fractions, remember? Yeah? So those real fractions, right, they stand alone one. For example, like half, all right? Or maybe 1 over 5. They stand alone. There's no units to it. There are no units. All right, so this is what I call a real fraction. Right, this is actually called a what? This one is actually called a fake fraction. All right, because there are units down there. All right, there are units down here. All right, so children, please be careful. That time when we talk about fractions, we've gone through this already. All right, and when you want to minus or plus, they must be of the same units. It's like kg plus kg. It's like watermelon plus watermelon. It's like lemonade plus lemonade. It must be the same thing. All right.